Hello viewers, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna see all about GitHub, how to create repositories. Okay, first of all, what is the use of GitHub? GitHub is a version control system where we find many uses in developing any software or any project. For example, if you are working in a software company, let us think that your role is a backend developer. For example, there are 4 backend developers working on the same project. For example, let's think you are working on a forecasting module. If your task is to develop linear regression algorithm, if your friend's task is to develop vector autoregression module, then you both work on the same project or same repository but different project file. Finally, both of your code must come under a single umbrella, that is the same project. Then whatever the code you have written, you need to push your code into the GitHub account so that all the code related to a single project comes under a single repository. In the GitHub terminology, we mean repositories to indicate a project or a single directory where we are working on. First of all, let us see about a repository. Repository is nothing but a project. Let us assume. For example, if you are creating a project, then you need to create a repository. It is like a where we keep all our code and corresponding files under a single folder. First of all, create your GitHub account and log in. You will find this type of dashboard on your screen. In the left side section, you will see top repositories. Here you will have repositories if you have any. So let us see how to create a repository. Here on the left side, you will find top repositories. Adjacent to it, you will find a green color new button. On clicking on it, this type of tab will be opened. Create a new repository. Here, enter the repository name. Let's assume first project. It will check for the availability. New repository name is available. If it is not available, try a new name. Enter the description here. Set it as a private or a public one. If you want to add a readme file, check it and click on create new repository. New repository will be opened here and you will find a readme file is added. Okay, now let us see how to delete a repository. For example, if you want to delete this first project repository, here click on settings. Scroll down, you will find a danger zone. Under the danger zone, last option is delete this repository. Here you will find delete this repository button. Click on it. It will prompt you to enter your willingness to delete or not. Click on I want to delete this repository. Read this and click on I have read and understand these effects. Here it asks you to confirm. Enter this text in here. Delete this repository. Enter your password. Confirm. Then the repository is deleted. You can check it again. First repository, so there is no matching repository, so you can see here your repository is successfully deleted. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more data science and machine learning related videos. Keep subscribed to our channel and share this video among your friends. Thank you for watching.